coming as an outsider into a film industry is very, very difficult. You need to have people that believe in you, that don't typecast you because of the work that you've already done,
Right.
and who give you a fair chance. And I think, I found some gems like that. Rumi
Absolutely.
Jaffrey, Anand Pandit, Kuki Gulati sir, and Sanjay Gupta.
So the timing for your web series was happened at a time where Fitrat came, it was popular, and then COVID happened.
Yeah.
So did that affect somewhere did that
No,
affect your
it
career
did
in
better
any
for
way?
us because people were at
Okay.
home and they had nothing to do other
Huh.
than watch a web show.
Yes.
So Fitrat really did well because of those reasons. Not like I'm happy about a pandemic,
Yeah.
but when you're stuck at home, you want to watch good content,
Right.
and there was something out there.
And actually OTT boomed at that time.
Yeah.
Like it just spiked up.
Yeah, I think Chehre, even though it was a theatrical release, it did better on OTT.
Yes.
It actually garnered what we wanted it to because of OTT and not because of a theatrical release. Because when it did release in the theaters, people were apprehensive of going to the theaters, and rightfully so, because it was just out of COVID. And even I was scared
Exactly.
to send my parents to a theater or go to a theater myself. So I don't blame people about that. But I'm happy that people eventually just got to see it even because of OTT. And OTT is a blessing. Like, imagine watching your favorite stars at the comfort of your own home without paying that extra price for the food that you have to eat in a theater.
Absolutely. Also, working with Amitabh Bachchan, did that get any kind of validation from the industry also?
Of course, more than the industry in my parents' eyes. The way they have.
Yes.
Okay, so when I got the film with Amitabh Bachchan, I called my mom and I said, I'm doing a film. She's like, oh, okay, which film? I said, it's a film called Cherry. It's with Amitabh Bachchan. She's like, shut up, stop kidding. Tell me now with who? I said, with Amitabh Bachchan. She's like, you're lying. I said, I'm serious, mom. It's with Amitabh Bachchan. She's like, who gets a debut with Amitabh Bachchan? She's screaming at me. I'm like, aren't you supposed to be happy about this? She's like, I don't believe it. I'm like, I'm leaving in a week. So you're going to have to believe it. And then she did come on set and click pictures. And I think it's still her DP with Amitabh Bachchan and not with my dad. I don't know why.
Oh, wow. Also, a lot of TV actors have, said this, that when they move from, television to films for that matter, there's a certain kind of stereotype or judgment they face. Ever happened with you?
A lot. Still happens.
What was that judgment like?
Ki overexposed face.
Acha.
Nobody will accept her as a modern character, or even after like leaving TV for like 6 years now, I've not done any TV 6-7
Right.
years. Still there are people that say that, oh, but इसने तो वो show किया था ना, उसमें तो बहुत ही बेचारी बहू, तो no one will accept her in a modern role or in a grey role or in a gold digger role or whatever. So yes, I still face that. Also, they feel like TV actors ham, which I don't think so. I think film actors ham a little more than us. But I've seen the difference of treatment also that you get if you're going for an audition also as a TV actor for a film, or as sometimes not even a actor, you're just going as an influencer for an audition and you get the part because you are not an overexposed face on television.
Also, Ajkal, this new elephant in the room that is being addressed is that influencers are overpowering, or influencing the producers a lot more. What do you have to say about that?
Honestly, I don't mind it because I feel like there's enough sun for everyone.
Okay.
So if there is work out there for them and they can get it, they can get it. You know what? It'll be very hypocritical of me to say that influencers should not be actors, because why are actors doing influencing work? We are,
Very
right?
true. Very valid point.
So how are you, if you're going to step into somebody else's territory, why are you minding if they're stepping into yours? If a producer thinks that 18 million followers or 12 million followers is going to benefit his film, why not? He's putting in the money. What is your opinion got to do with it? So I don't have a problem with anyone going into any field as long as you're good at it, as long as you value what you have. And you can't take what's written for me anyway. And if it's not written for me and it's yours, maybe.
Any regrets?
Regrets? Yeah, I feel like, when I left television and I jumped to do OTT, I took a really long gap because I thought that, I have to not be seen and all that. And because of some personal reasons also, I didn't feel like, I want to act anymore. And that portion of my life was a big regret.
Okay.
Because acting is all that I know to do and I love doing it and I wouldn't leave it for anything in this world.
Bye.